Hey guys, Chubby Butcher here. Hope everybody's doing great. Finally, the sun is out. People are walking around again. Everybody's happy. Super Bowl is just around the corner. Super Bowl is just around the corner, and with Super Bowl just around the corner, I got the party favor that everybody's going to go crazy for. On the menu today, buffalo chicken pizza. With that being said, let's go. Okay guys, first things first, to make this buffalo chicken pizza, you're going to have to get your dough ready. You're going to have to probably do it 3 hours in advance. I got a store-bought dough here. Feel free to make your own dough. I don't have the time. This is really easy to do. First, what you're going to do is put a little bit of white flour on the bottom of this bowl. Prevent it from sticking. And put a little bit on your block. You're going to take the dough out of the bag. You're going to cover it with the flour, and you're going to stretch it out. You're going to make a nice dough ball with it. Like that. You're going to put it in the bowl with flour. I'm going to put a tea towel over it. And I keep mine in the oven for about 3 to 4 hours for it to rise. Then we can boogie. Let's go. Here are the big chains on the bridge. Lots of boats are here for the winter shutdown. These boats are in need of major repairs. Okay guys, to make this buffalo chicken pizza, these are the ingredients you're going to need. White all-purpose flour, extra virgin olive oil, some Franks, some 2% milk, some bell peppers, these are leftovers, some salted butter, some mozzarella cheese, salt, pepper, white onion, piece of fresh garlic, some pizza dough. This has been in the oven for 4 hours. The oven is not on. I'm excited to see what it looks like. Of course, you're going to need a cast iron frying pan. This is a 10-incher. And 1 boneless chicken breast, about 3/4 of a pound. Okay guys, Ken Small Engines did a Secret Santa this year. I just received this in the mail and I have no idea who gave it to me, but I love it. Check this out. It's a traveling knife holder. And here's Ken's Small Engine Repair. Check out his YouTube channel. He's got lots of interesting content. He usually has a live stream on Saturdays at 2 p.m. You want to check that out. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut up this onion. And these peppers are already cut up, so we're going to get that in the frying pan. Let's go. Now this is all the leftover peppers that I had from my previous meal, so nothing goes to waste here. I'm going to cut it up a little bit finer. Pepper, salt, and some extra virgin olive oil. Next, guys, let's cut this chicken breast up. We're going to cut it into 1/4 inch strips. We're going to get all this crap off it like I normally do. I'm going to pull off the fillet. That's the best part. A lot of people make chicken fingers with these. Okay guys, the next step is we're going to do our batter station. My hands are washed. You need a little bit of flour. Some pepper. And some salt. Give it a mix. All we're doing here is putting a flour coating on the chicken. Just like that. Okay guys, our pepper and onions are cooking on low to medium heat. Let's start cooking up these chicken strips. We're going to add some extra virgin olive oil to it. Okay guys, our chicken's cooking on medium heat. We're looking to brown it up. And our peppers and onions are coming along nicely. Okay guys, next we're going to make our buffalo sauce, which is pretty simple. I think my cats could do it. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of salted butter and about 10 dabs of Frank's. Let's go. I'm going to throw it in the microwave. Next, guys, I'm going to flip the chicken. Peppers are coming along nicely. Okay guys, chubby tip of the day. When using these on chicken, once you flip it once, always clean and sanitize this, because when you go to pull the product off, you still got raw chicken on this. Okay guys, let's pull this off. We hit an internal temperature of 165 on these. Now we're going to keep this on low because we're going to need it to make our roux. Okay guys, next we're going to cut our cooked chicken breast up into shreds and we're going to add it to the buffalo sauce. Let's go. Okay guys, our peppers and onions are all done. Drain it in a bowl. Okay guys, I'm starting to get excited now. Let's start making our roux. Let's go. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do, now this is our grease that we had our chicken cooking in. We're going to grate 1 clove of fresh garlic. Okay guys, we got our garlic starting to cook up here. We're going to put in our butter. It's about a tablespoon. Little pepper. Little salt. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of flour. And we're going to give it a good whisk till it thickens up. There's our roux, guys. Okay, guys, the time has come. Everybody's wondering what the hell this dough looks like. It's been about 4 hours. Let's see what it looks like. Put a little flour down. Again, everything's been clean and sanitized, guys. You guys know that. All right. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like. Well, holy mother. Look at the size of that. Let's break it out. Holy. It's huge. That is awesome. Okay, we'll move this to the side. We're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Now don't be afraid to put lots in, guys. It's going to look like a lot, but it's going to need it. I'm going to coat the sides. Let's start forming this pizza crust. Okay guys, we're going to add our white sauce. Spread it around. We're going to add a little bit of mozzarella cheese on the bottom. Next, guys, we're going to add our peppers and onions to the buffalo chicken. We're going to give it a good mix. Get everybody friendly with each other. We're going to add it to the top of our pizza. Then we're going to add some more mozzarella cheese on the top. Not a lot. It's going to look like this. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 400. There it is right there. We're going to put this in the oven at 425 degrees, middle rack, catch pan underneath for about 30 to 40 minutes. Check the bottom quite frequently. You're looking for a golden brown. If you need to cook it a little bit longer, then do so. Let's go. This is 28 minutes. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm going to break the sides up with the knife. Heat-proof glove. See what the bottom looks like. Again, this is 28 minutes at 425. I'm going to put it back in for another 12 minutes. Okay guys, the pizza's done. It's about 40 minutes. Let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Okay guys, the buffalo chicken pizza is ready to go. It took about 40 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going in, guys. You know this is going to get ugly. I suggest you let this cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes or you will burn your mouth and everything around it. Here I go. This thing is busting with flavor. You got the buffalo chicken coming through hard. You got the vegetables coming through. You got the garlic white sauce coming through. This is like you're getting on a train and you're going to Flavor Town. I've got to try this. I'm going in again. This, guys, is so easy to make. If you guys are entertaining for Super Bowl, this is it. Your company's going to love it. Your company's never going to forget about it. And they may even spike the ball in your own living room. If you guys like what you've seen today, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe to my channel. I upload every week. If you smash that bell, you'll be the first to get it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Wow.